Okay guys, since a lot of you are confused about online wedding, please do visit this website or yung Facebook page nila, Al Huda. They were the one who officiated the ceremony. Ang hinanap lang sa amin at that time was my copy of our passport with signature, tapos yung ID ng husband ko, tsaka yung ID ko. Tapos, birth certificate ko din pala kasama. Tapos, na-provide din ako ng Senomar since it's being officiated in the Philippine law. Kailangan may Senomar yung Philippine citizen para malaman kung may asawa or wala yung babae or yung Philippine national. So, yun lang yung documentations na hinanap sa amin at that time. Tapos, ang pinaka-importante, yung dalawang witness na dapat Muslim, dapat lalaki. So, again, you can